Hello everyone. Here we are on a Monday afternoon, about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and we're flying around the house project on Clearview Road. Looks like a little grading. Well, first of all, let me say it's the 16th of March, 2020, and you can see in the back there a little bit of grading might have been done around the swimming pool. The weather today is temperatures in the mid 50s, a little breezy, and mostly sunny. Pretty nice day. And the usual applies. Down in the comment section there'll be a link to take you back to the previous video to see any differences that might have happened since the last time we were flying around there. So have a good day everyone. We'll catch you later. Goodbye.